Hello everyone, thanks for subscribing my channel. Today I will tell about conversion characters. They are nothing but the advanced way to write printf statement. In my previous video, I was discussed about printf statement and I hope all of you have the idea that how the printf statement works. So let's start to learn the conversion character. For different data types, different types of conversion character used in C, and today I will tell you all of this. So let's start. Here the line is the collection of characters and it's called string. For strings, the particular conversion character is %s. I write it like comment. For strings, conversion character is %s, and like this for integers or whole number, the conversion character is %d. I don't know the exact meaning of d, but this is used as the conversion character of integer. And like this for any decimal numbers like 1.26 or 2.45, like this, they are called the floating numbers in C. For floating numbers, the conversion characters are %f. Those are the three conversion characters used in C. Like this, if I want to write this printf statement with the help of conversion character, I have to write like this. %s, and after the quoted line write comma, and then in the quoted line write Codeflix. Now this is the way to write any printf statement with the conversion characters. Conversion characters works as the reflexing instrument. So whatever you wanna write with the help of conversion character, after writing, they are all placed in the place of conversion characters by replacing them. So in this line, this Codeflix will be placed in the place of %s by replacing it. So I will show you by executing it. Here, the %s is replaced by the Codeflix. So this is for the strings, and like I have tell you that for like integers, you can write we love it, I write it like he has %d pens, and after the quoted line write 5. This is for the integers, and for floats you have to write the %f. So there is the special note for you. For integers, you don't have to write any numbers. Integers or float, you don't have to write any numbers in the quoted line. You only have to write the numbers. But in strings, in case of strings and characters, you have to write this in the quoted statement. So like this, if you wanna write floating numbers in the with the help of conversion characters, right? Floating numbers are basically right in like this type. After point, you have to write 6 numbers. This is the basic way to write floating number. You can also write like 1.56 or 2.4, anything you wanna write, but this is the basic way. And by executing it, sorry, you have to write, you have to compile and then run it. Previously I have just run the program. And if you wanna write this floating number only the 1.56 till the 1.56 without erasing the number, you just have to write 0.2 before the f. You can, if you wanna write 3 numbers after the point, you just have to add 0.3 before the f. This is the way to print only three numbers after any floating number point. So execute it, compile and run. Here we go. Conversion characters are basically used in multiple line programs because this is the easier way to write and edit and print a statement. Because if you wanna write any bigger program and you have to edit the printf statement, this is the easiest way. This is the basic concepts of conversion character, and I hope all of you have understand that. And thanks to see the video.